doesn't love waffles? And there are many ways to indulge in this classic treat. Hey guys, I'm Krystin Goodwin with Buzz60, and take a look at these tasty waffle creations. I love breakfast any time of day, and it doesn't get any better than a poached egg on top of a waffle. Then go ahead and go big with the bacon and potatoes while you're at it. Yum. For a sweet breakfast treat, make a waffle sandwich with your favorite fruit and whipped topping. If you're looking for more of a traditional breakfast waffle, just add a few blueberries or strawberries on top. This is always tasty. But if you prefer dessert over breakfast, take a look at these. Check out this waffle cake, complete with chocolate filling. Chocolate fans, if you want something even sweeter, why not a chocolate waffle? Just add cocoa powder to your waffle mix. Drizzle with chocolate syrup, whipped cream, and bananas. Wow! Don't forget the waffle cone. This looks incredible. Grab your favorite ice cream and sorbet flavors and topple them all on. Drizzle on the chocolate syrup, the whipped cream, and fruit slivers. So grab the maple syrup or the chocolate and indulge in a few of these waffle snacks. It'll be love at first bite. Buzz60, now you know, pass it on.